In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn posts on WhatsApp. This is a quick and practical way to get more visibility on your content. Whether you want to send a post to a friend, share it with a group, or make it easier for clients, teammates, or contacts to see what you've published on LinkedIn. The process is very simple, and once you've done it once, you'll be able to repeat it in just a few seconds. To get started, go to LinkedIn and open the post you want to share. Make sure you're on the specific post you'd like to send through WhatsApp. This is important because you want to copy the direct link to that exact post, not just your profile or your general feed. If you're already logged in, you can simply navigate to your content and find the post there. Once you've located the post, look for the three-dot menu on that post. This is usually where LinkedIn keeps additional options related to viewing, managing, or sharing content. Click on those three dots to open the menu. Take a moment to make sure you are opening the menu for the correct post, especially if you have several posts visible on your screen. From the menu, select the option that says Copy Link to Post. When you click this, LinkedIn copies the direct URL of that post to your clipboard. In other words, the link is now temporarily saved and ready to be pasted somewhere else. This is the key step because it gives you a clean, shareable link that anyone can open depending on the visibility settings of your post. Next, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share the post. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Tap into the message field and paste the link you just copied. On most devices, you can do this by pressing and holding in the text box, then selecting Paste. Once the link appears, you can send it as it is or add a short message before sending it to provide context, like why you're sharing it or what the person should look at. And that's it. Your LinkedIn post is now shared on WhatsApp. If the post is meant for a wider audience, it's also a good idea to double check that the LinkedIn post visibility allows others to access it. That way, the people receiving your message can open it without any issues. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to share your LinkedIn posts on WhatsApp.